Breaking news just coming in. Asaduddin Owaisi supporters have attacked cops in Hyderabad. According to the police, the incident has taken place on Thursday when two constables on bandobast duty were obstructed and assaulted near a religious place by local AIMIM corporator Murtuza Ali and his followers. A video of the incident shows the corporate and party supporters threatening, heckling and assaulting the constable. The constable has been identified as Shyam Prasad, who later informed about the incident to senior officers. A case has now been booked against all accused under IPC section 353 and 188. That's the latest that is coming in right there. Ashish Pandey joining us for the very latest. Ashish, what really happened there? Asaduddin Owaisi supporters and workers from AIMIM have attacked these cops who are on the front line duty in Hyderabad. If you could walk our viewers through these visuals that are coming in at the moment, Ashish.
Chetty, this incident took place on Thursday, and as per police, I spoke to a senior police officer, and as per him, these two constables, they were on bandobast duty. They were posted in a police picket, and while performing his duty, they arrived to near to a religious place where altercation took place with MIM supporters, and later on, the local corporator also joined the crowd, the supporters. And they allegedly attacked Constable Shyam Prasad. His nameplate was snatched, his collar, and he was heckled, he was assaulted, he was abused. And all these incidents, the entire incident was recorded on camera. And based on the complaint of this particular constable, now police has registered a case under 353 IPC as well as section 188 of IPC. The section deals with obstructing a government's observance on QC as well as violation of section 144 and Pandemic Act. So clearly, police has registered a case, but what is interesting and what is more shocking, I can say rather, is that Chetty, in this case so far is almost over 24 hours. So far, police has not arrested the accused men or the corporator, the local MIM corporator, and that's why here, the BJP MLA, the local BJP MLA, T. Raja Singh, he is alleging that police is under pressure, and due to political pressure from political leaders, they are not acting against the MIM corporator. That's the allegation coming out from BJP side, Check.
All right, leave it at that. Ashish Pandey joining us live from Hyderabad on that breaking story. Continue to stay with us right there, Ashish. Earlier, video of local corporate and also local party MLA Ahmed Balala had gone viral where he was seen caught threatening GHMC and police officials. And this is coming in after the Malakpet area was put under containment zone after 11 positive cases were found. MLA Balala demanded the removal of the barricade, which was removed by the authorities after the protest. However, up until now, in this case, has now been arrested. One person has been arrested in this case, so this is the latest coming in right there. Earlier, you did see a video of local corporator and also local party MLA Ahmed Balala going viral where he was seen threatening GHMC cops and police officials. Ashish is still with us. Ashish, what is wrong with all these people, all these workers and corporators going ahead and assaulting cops who are at the front line? These are stories coming out of COVIDiots from Hyderabad, Ashish.
Yes, Chetty, here it is second incident where local MIM MLA Ahmed Balala, he was seen arguing with the local Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation men as well as local cops. What Asaduddin Owaisi's party's MLA Ahmed Balala, his argument was that that particular area of his his assembly constituency, that particular area earlier had 11 positive cases, but all these cases recovered, and he was demanding that government should or the authorities should remove the barricades from that particular red zone area. Argument of MIM MLA was that these barricades are creating hurdles to the common men's life who were observing Ramadan fast, and that's why he was demanding removal of all these barricades. And later on, after this particular argument video which went viral, the authorities have removed the barricades from red zone area of Malakpet. This is the Malakpet area.
All right, hold on, Ashish.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.